The Genie B6172H wall-mount smart garage door opener is designed to modernize your garage entry system while providing convenience and efficiency. This product is particularly notable for its innovative wall-mounted design, which differentiates it from traditional ceiling-mounted garage door openers. This feature not only saves overhead space but also offers a cleaner look, making it an appealing choice for homeowners looking to optimize their garage environment. This model operates using a robust DC motor that is engineered to lift garage doors with efficiency and reliability. The use of a direct current motor provides smoother operation and reduced noise levels, which can be particularly beneficial for households where quiet is key. The Genie B6172H is compatible with various garage door types, making it a versatile option for different applications. Among the standout features of the Genie B6172H is its smart technology integration. This opener can be connected to your home's Wi-Fi network, enabling you to control and monitor your garage door through a smartphone app. This remote access is particularly useful for those who may forget to close the garage door when leaving home or wish to grant access to visitors remotely. The app also allows for real-time alerts, providing an additional layer of peace of mind. Installation of the Genie B6172H is designed to be user-friendly, and the wall-mounted design may simplify the process compared to traditional units. However, it is always advisable to consider the required installation space and any additional components that may be necessary. While some users might opt for professional installation, many find the included instructions sufficient for a DIY approach. In terms of operation, users report that the Genie B6172H opens and closes smoothly, thanks in part to its soft start and stop feature, which aids in extending the life of the garage door and its components. Moreover, the safety features included in this model, such as the auto-reverse function, help ensure the safe operation of the door, particularly in households with children or pets. In conclusion, the Genie B6172H wall-mount smart garage door opener offers a modern solution to garage door operation, combining advanced technology with practical design elements. Its features cater to those who prioritize convenience, efficiency, and safety in their home automation systems.